In this really short lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple blend using the line tool. So I'm going to use the pencil tool, which is N, and I'm going to make sure it's set to just an outside path and draw myself a freehand shape, finishing back at the start. Get the selection tool, click off it, and then I'm going to make another one inside. So you've got a big freehand shape and then a small freehand shape, so they're not the same. I need to select them both. So you can do that by holding shift down and clicking on both, or drawing a box around them both. And then I'm going to go to Object, Blend, and Blending options. And when this little box pops up, we're going to use specified steps, and that's going to be how many steps you want between the small shape and the big shape. So make sure you put a number in there, and then go Object, Blend, and then back to Make. And it creates this nice illusion of like contour lines between two things. If you double click on it and go into the group, you can move one element around, so you can change the top element or the smaller element and move it about to get the desired effect. You can change the color of each path, so there's two paths there, there's the outside path and the inside path, and then you get a transition between the two of them. But I think just for this activity, I think it looks quite nice, just as I think it looks like a mountain or a volcano. So I'm just going to write volcano in a text box. So to use a text box, just press T, and you can make a nice little design like that. So give that a go, see what you can create.